Check. If you're sitting right here in front of me, you're going to move back a bit. You'll push out that way. We need a pathway right here for our athletes, please.
Oh, we haven't played this one before.
Yeah. I mean, that could, like, you could just test it.
Hold on. Let's do that.
Check. We're going to introduce our judges for this evening's slam dunk contest. But before we do that, we need all of the Whanganui to get behind all our dunkers tonight. When they slam it down, you make sure to show them some love, show them some energy, and keep the vibes high tonight, all right, ladies and gentlemen. In the past, we've had a few low-key claps for some wicked dunks, like everyone could dunk. So can we just move out the way, please, brothers? Again, bro, can you move back out? Either move that way, cousin, move that way, or we'll send you out the door, my brother. Oh, boy. Get my uncle on now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, up in the stands, can we make a round of applause and make some noise for who this is? Junior Showcase. This is a high-flying evening. We're about to introduce our judges. We have an NBL and New Zealand legend. You all will know about No Limit Ballers. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Brendan Hollyland. And sitting next to him, another NBL legend, representing the Brown Brothers. Make some noise, Hayden Allen. Representing Forward Sports, our man providing pathways for Kiwi kids to college ball in the States. Make some noise for Stevie Cummins. And co-founder of Hoop Nation New Zealand, Whanganui legend, that's my uncle KJ Allen. Make some noise. And for the main event, let's introduce our dunkers for the evening. First up, representing the brothers, big round of applause for Nate Clark. Louder, come on, ladies and gentlemen. From Showtime Basketball, MΑΟRI. Also representing Showtime Basketball, Nico Davis. From the Finalist K, Becca Aguilar. And the winner from Finalist K, Finalist. And last but not least, from Tucson, Hannah Lucas. All right, here's the final. So just real quick, if you don't know how a dunk comp works, it goes a little bit like this. We got 2 rounds. Each athlete will have 1 minute to complete a dunk in each round. And the 2 dunkers Who impressed the judges and the crowd the most will move on to the final round. Those two dunkers will also have 1 minute and 2 rounds to complete their dunks. Impress the judges and get the crowd into it. Alrighty, we're about to get it underway, ladies and gentlemen. One more time, make some noise for our dunkers here tonight. Alrighty, let's get the show on the road. First up, representing Brothers, make some noise for Nate Clark. Yeah, get the hype, my brother. Love that. Started it off strong, yes sir. My turn. Oh, no. Yes, we gotta find out your score somehow, cousin. I'm too slow to do the math. 40, my bro. Starting off strong. What a power move with the windmill. First try, you can't beat that, my man. Next up, make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. MΑΟRI.
Take off from the free throw line, there's no space to run off.
Okay. Oh, we need some room. We need some room. Some VIP treatment. Make some way for the man. Hey, this is Ray Rickens. I'm so glad, baby. Look at where the funny's out. Alright. Alright, we're doing another two. 50 seconds on the clock. Let's go, my man. Come on, make some noise. 20 seconds, my brother. You got that. Wow, man. That boy can fly. He's not even happy with a 360 gun. Jeez. These kids these days, that's tough. $27. Gee, my math is a bit slow. Alrighty, make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. This is Nico David. Back it up. Let's go. Ooh. Let's go, brother. Get behind the big one. Hey! That is in the reverse. Make some noise. She's Nico. 3-0, 30 on the board. Nate's still leading the way with a 40 so far. But coming up next, Victor. Let's go, brother. Make some noise. Right, bring it out, brother. Let's go, my bro. Too easy, bro. That's his warm-up dunk. Here we go. Make some noise for Williams. Janera. Closing out the first round, make some noise, Connor Luca.
Get him up, bro.
Back it up a little, shut the boys. Let's go, Connor. Oh, 10 seconds. Get on the rock. Let's go, my boy. 5, 4, 3, 2. Make some noise for Connor, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I might have moved on a bit quick, didn't get the bro score from the last one. But we'll head on to the next round. Who's ready to see some more dance, ladies and gentlemen? Make some noise as we're ready. Oh, yeah. Back to the top. Let's give it up for Nate Clark, representing Brothers. Come on! Yeah, boy. Yeah! Hype him up! Hype him up! Hey! Yeah! Gonna love them, my man. That's tough. Someone tell me 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8. Been a long time since I went to Twitter. 31. Yeah, I was just making sure, cuz. Next up, second dunk, MΑΟRI, McCoy, showtime, make some noise! Oh, that's bouncing. Unlucky. Gonna pull one down, but make some noise for MAORI. Next up, straight over the same side, Nico Davis. Let's go, my man. Put it down. Go down, my man. You got that plenty of time. And at the two-hand windows here, 30 seconds. Make some noise for Nico. Two-hand windmill and representing 1SK. Make some noise for Victor and MΑORI. People like that one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think that's like 47. 37. Oh, no way. Only 4 judges this year. What kura did he go to? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, who's on next? Give it up for William Shadera. Let's go, come on. Come on, make some noise.
Final round, this is 2 dogs. Yeah.
Okay. Got that. First try. That's tough, my brother. And closing out round 1. We need to make so much noise now, brother Connor. Luca is going over. Okay, that's a track. Let's go, Connor. Representing 2 Jakarta. 2 Jakarta in the house. Make some noise. Hey, let's go. Take the back on the clock. Beautiful. That's another one. Give it up for Connor, everybody. It's in. So to our judges, see if I can understand the results. So our top 2 dunkers are going to head to the final. And those 2 dunkers will have another 2 rounds to impress our judges. And more importantly, get the crowd behind them. I got shot. Look that thing. Moving on to the finals. Our top dunker with his combined score of 71. Give it up for Victor Aguinaldo. And he'll be facing off with a combined score of 63. Make some noise for Nate Clark. Oh, yeah, you go first, cuz. Make some noise, make some noise. Too easy. It's too easy. Sheesh. I remember when I could just walk up to the hoop and dunk it like that. He laughed. Let's go. Here's what you get. Get behind. Get the top. 20 seconds. Let's go. 5 seconds, my boy. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. That's round 1. I'll worry about the score next round there, Cutter.
Need a quick rest. Quick rest. You good? Quick rest.
Alrighty, you're going to give them a quick rest. This is the final round, our top 2 dunkers. Drop that beat, Cutter, and we'll get them up here. Let's go, mate. Let's go, dunkers. Get the crowd behind you. Rock them up, my boy, rock them up. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Seconds. I got both. You got this. All right, 18 seconds round. I will leave you hanging with the score, and we'll get back to that after our last dunker right here, representing Whanganui, Victor and MΑΟRI. Hey, here it is. Here we go. And then get out here. It's in the hands of our judges. Now, I don't know the score, cuzzies, but in the event of a tie, we'll have a dump off. We'll see what happens. Who do you reckon wins?
MΑORI.
But in the final, cousin.
If you've got the courage.
Alrighty. Well, the Whanganui Creek Nation, make some noise if you have a good time on here today and tonight. Big round of applause for all our contestants and the champion of 2026 Creek Nation Junior Showcase with a score of 59. Give it up for Nate Clark! Where's the brothers at? Where's the brothers? Yeah! Give it up for them all! And one more time, make some words for all our dunkers. The champ wants to say a few words.
I just want to say a big shout out to my mom, wherever she is, I can't find her. And I got me 15. Oh yeah!
One more round of applause. Great to see you. MAORI 2026. Here in Whanganui. Good night, everybody. I will see you tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Where my folks at? Thanks.
That's all right. Hey.
Oh my god, just say shout out to Matt. Yeah. Hey guys, just want to give a shout out to Matt.
Oh, shush. Once again, awesome to have you here. And it's time to go home. I don't know where you got to go, but you got to get out of here, whānau. Ko karakia to get everyone home safely. Ai o ki te tuku, ai o ki te rangi. Ko te kauora. Tihei, mauri ora. Tō Māori.
You've got the first dunker score roll.
Oh, that could have changed the whole outcome. Update. Oh well.
That's right, he was alive.
Yeah, hard out. He was. Hi, baby. Good day.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times.
What makes selling with Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home we sell. Enhancing and lifting the energy of your home to achieve the best possible result. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
Get the MāORI Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewings and 100% ad-free.
Quite like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make MāORI Plus your mate and stream now.
It's time for action. We are working to reduce the impacts of climate change, side by side, with nature, with each other, through research, investment, and practical innovation. Because nature is not a resource, it's a collaborator. Nativa, leading with nature.
Local drama, international drama,
UCI verdict.
The best of Indigenous talents, drama queens,
Just wake up, sis.
and epic scenes, fiction-laced,
You shouldn't have done that.
or reality-based, award-winning, riveting. If you go looking for drama, let it find you right here. This year, ki Māori Plus me whakaata Māori.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Quick scroll, one tap, ka mau, kua uru mai koe.
Hey, I don't know.
Tō mātou reo.
Kia te MāORI, te MāORI, kia
Tō mātou puku hohe.
A lot of eggplant emojis there, my
Tō
friend.
mātou tirohanga. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.